Hello, I'm Dominica Rao, and as part of the Whimsy workshop today, we were going to explore the movement of duck. But before, we will stretch a little, we will do a little warm-up to make sure our bodies are ready for these workshops. Today, I will work with...
Hello everyone, my name is Mujibo Loye.
And...
Hello, my name is Plamizi.
Fantastic. Are we all ready? I hope we are. Let's move a little bit. Let's start from a little swing of our bodies from side to side. Make sure you reach as far as possible. So swing left, right, very loose like a wind. You can swing them behind. Make sure your head is always following where your hands are going. And you can go all the way up, opening the hands, behind. Follow your arms. And the same if you're sitting on a chair, you can follow your arms. 2. Make sure your legs are moving a little. Give them a little swing like you're walking in one place. And now you can go all the way up and down, all the way up, making sure the spine of yours is moving too. Right. And we should be all ready and warmed up for our next step, which will be a duck slide move twice. 2 different options of duck slide move. Ducks are the birds that can swim and fly. They can do all sorts, so let's explore their wings a little bit more. Duck slide is very simple. We're going to place our right hand on the hip, creating this right wing, and left arm on the left hip, creating the other hip, the other wing, sorry. Right. Are we ready to slide now? So it's going to be duck, duck, slide, duck, duck, slide. We go back to the middle. And we will do it 4 times. 3, 2, 1, go. Duck, duck, slide, duck, duck, slide, duck, duck, slide, duck, duck, slide. Right, okay, we got it. Now remember to move your chest forwards, open your chest, and also kind of exaggerate this move of putting your arms on your hips. And let's go, make it big. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Duck, duck, slide. Duck, duck, slide. Duck, duck, slide. Duck, duck, slide. We got that. This one is easy. And the next one will be the same, but done by different body parts. So we'll start from the legs. So a representation of our wings will be our legs. First thing is moving is our right leg. We're just opening our hip out. So let's do that. Duck, duck, and we will slide down. Right leg, 3, 2, 1, go. Duck, duck, slide. And we come back very slow on count of 4. And once again, duck, duck, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4, your legs should be together. So let's do it once again twice. 3, 2, 1, go. Duck, duck, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Duck, duck, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next of our moves will be duck slide, but we are moving forward. You can also do it on the chair while moving your chest forward a little bit. So you could kind of move front too. So duck slide, front, we are doing the zigzag, 4 moves forward, 4 moves back. But first we create our duck wings. 3, 2, 1, go. Duck, duck, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you got it? We are going forward 4 slides, 4 zigzags, 4 back. Let's try to do it from the beginning. Are we ready? Okay. So 4 counts of duck slide, and then 2 going down, and then we will do 4 steps forward and 4 steps back as well. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Duck, duck, slide. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Duck, duck, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Duck, duck. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we all good? All good? How are we feeling? I think it's time to cool down a little after our duck slide. So let's take all these memories of today's workshop and all the journey of the duck, bring it from there and bring it very close to your chest. Hold it there, and you can have a deep breath in and out. And once again, breathe in and out. Thank you very much for attending this workshop. I hope you are going to have a lovely day.